Hey, it's Kelly Dix. Let's take a quick look through Torrey Pines condominiums. This condo complex is a very small complex with only 21 units. It's located in Clinton Township, however, it's in the Fraser School District. This complex is north of 15 Mile and you enter it west off of Utica Road. They're all one-story units with 2 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms. They all have 2-car garages and a full basement. To see if these are rentable or if they allow pets, you'll want to call the association and double check. They all have first floor laundry. They were built in the year 2000 and they're all around 1,400 square feet. If you're interested in this condo complex or any condo complexes in Clinton Township, Michigan, feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to help. Thank you.